Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to learn about the Anconeus muscle. Let's get started. The Anconeus is a small muscle just below the elbow on the back of the lower arm. The Anconeus originates on the back of the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. The muscle comes down as a triangle shape and inserts just below the olecranon process of the elbow, moving down the upper quarter of the ulna. This small triangular muscle fits into the gap between the extensors on the lateral side and the flexors on the medial side. It is also right below the tricep tendon as it attaches to the elbow. The landmark that separates the extensors and flexors is the ulnar furrow. The Anconeus sits on the outside of this and points up to the lateral epicondyle. The Anconeus anchors to the back of the humerus and acts on the hinge joint of the ulna. If the arm is bent at the elbow and the Anconeus contracts, it will extend or pull the arm down. This is the same action the triceps perform. And of the two, the triceps are the dominant muscle because it's bigger and has more anchor points. But the Anconeus also acts as a stabilizer when the arm is extended, adding strength to the joint. Now let's find the Anconeus on the surface. Drawing a line from the elbow to the distal end of the ulna shows us the ulnar furrow. The shadow here shows us the volume of the Anconeus as it goes down the ulna on the outside of the ulnar furrow, aims up to the lateral epicondyle, and ends right under the elbow. Make sure the triangle points to the outside of the arm. To the outside of the Anconeus, we can see the mass of the extensors on the back of the lower arm. On the inside of the Anconeus is the mass of the flexors, going to the palm side of the lower arm. Sitting above is the mass of the triceps, with the tricep tendon inserting right on top of the Anconeus. The Anconeus fills the gap on the ulna in between all of these muscles. Remember all of these points when drawing the Anconeus. Analyze the anatomy on the surface of your reference and draw from observation and memory to help you learn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.